శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 810th డే. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము థర్డ్ పర్వం, వనపర్వం ఆర్ అరణ్య పర్వం, 37th chapter. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaisampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this: Ho Raja, Draupadi Devi giving send-off to Arjuna, saying like this: Oh Arjuna, you will be respecting all the elderly people, that is very nice. And you always obey your brother, elder brother, Dharmaraju's words, that is very nice. O Bharatashreshta Arjuna, Prapadyeham Vasun Rudran Adityan Samarudganan. I will be praying Vasu, Rudra, Aditya, Marudgana, Visvedevata, Sadhyas for you. And may all the people, all other divine entities will be giving you blessings and will be removing all kind of obstacles. May there be auspiciousness and success to you. Like that Draupadi Devi said and gave send-off to Arjuna. After that, Arjuna tatah pradakshinam krutva bhratrun dhaumyancha pandavaha. He did pradakshina to his brothers and Dhaumya, and he has taken Gandivam and started from there. Because Arjuna has got that Pratismriti Vidya, which is given by Devendra, he is glowing. Because of that glow, when Arjuna was walking, all other entities are going away from him and giving him the path. And then Arjuna started, he reached Himavat Parvatam within no time. And after that, he crossed Himavat mountain, then reached Gandhamadana, and from there day and night he travelled, and finally Indrakilam Samasadhya Tatotishtat Dhananjayah. He reached Indrakiladri. There suddenly a word he heard from space, that is Tishta Tishta, stop there, stop there. After Arjuna heard that word, he looked around and he noticed one great tapasvi sitting under one tree, and he is glowing with so much of divine glow. Then that tapasvi, that great yogi, he is saying, who are you? You are carrying all kind of weapons, but there is nothing that can be done here with the weapons. This is the place where all the Brahmanas lives with so much of Indriya Nigraham, and everybody conquered their anger. Such people lives over here, and there is nothing to do with your bow. It's not any battle going on here. Oh my dear child, you can keep all your weapons away, and there will be praptosi paramam gatim. You will attain whatever you are wishing. Like that, that enlightened person giving his blessings to Arjuna. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vighneshwara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana 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 Sriman Narayana Narayana Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. O Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.